when it says hands-on, it's really hands-on, so be ready for it.
From my experience that I already visited so lots of courses in all countries of the world and in Europe, and here I got a lot more experience, a lot more tips and tricks for the treatments.
I learned about not only fillers but also toxin, peelings, radiofrequency, lasers. So it is a really complete course.
And my best of the best, which I loved, was a thread lift, which I learned the technique that she is doing it.
I learned some newer techniques, and it was very, very nice to see different approaches.
Teach you the ABCD only, they give you their full experience, and that's rare things that you can find in courses.
The Dr. Dolly is very experienced teacher, and I advise you also to visit this course. It was really full of information, and I can even say that you can visit this course and you don't need to visit some other courses if you want to start with aesthetic medicine from now.
And I just want to tell you that if you're really interested in this kind of procedures, just come on in.